Hello and welcome to Davey Motor Group Geelong. My name is Ben. Today we'll be having a look at this 2019 Suzuki Carry. This vehicle has just arrived from Japan in excellent condition with very low mileage. This one is fitted out as a fridge or freezer truck. So it's got this big box on the back. This one is a two-wheel drive model. As you can see, paintwork is in as new condition. The whole fridge freezer section works incredibly well, gets really cold inside. Do have a sliding door on the passenger side of the vehicle. Good amount of space. And you've also got the barn style doors in the back as well. And then you've just got the switch here. Opens it up fully. Heaps of space, perfect for like a small bakery needing to deliver some goods around the town. Taking a look on the inside, it's all pretty standard. This one is an automatic to make it a little bit easier to drive. Do have two keys to the vehicle. And you've got the Thermo King switch here. So as you can see, we've got it turned on at the moment. We've got all these buttons here. Do have an ETC card reader there, which is what was talking. Of course, you've got air conditioning in this vehicle, dual airbags. Good sized glove box, which does have our English translated owner's manual for the vehicle. 3-speed automatic. A little bit of storage here. This vehicle is priced at $32,990 drive away. So you can hear the fan working, and it's already pretty cold in here. And so just close this up. It'll stay nice and icy cold. Perfect for whatever you're needing to move around. Or just clicks into place. Price at $32,990 drive away in Victoria, located in Geelong. That includes stamp duty, registration for 3 months, and a valid roadworthy certificate. We do have optional warranties available for this vehicle, and we also have finance available as well. If you do have any questions about this vehicle, please do leave them in the comments down below. And if you'd like to inquire about this one, please do visit our website at daveymotorgroup.com or give us a call on 1300 855 133. Thank you very much.